All right, welcome to this short how-to video of how to turn a regular PowerPoint into a narrated screencast. So the college gives us a free version of PowerPoint, but the bummer is it doesn't have the ability to do what the full version does, which is to record narration over each slide. So I'm going to show you a free way to do that that's actually very easy. This is the website that I'm on right now, Screencast-O-Matic. It's awesome. And what you can't see is that this border that you see here is actually, this is fake, and I actually have that big border right around my entire screen right now. And so obviously I wouldn't start on this screen, but what I'm going to do is go ahead and pause it and then launch right into my PowerPoint. So I'd have the ability to do that. So I'm going to pause the recording, bring my PowerPoint up, and then make this little box fit exactly on my PowerPoint. So give me a minute to do that. I'm going to pause. And then here we are in my fake PowerPoint. One of the things I can do, one of the things that people sometimes make a mistake of, which I'm making the mistake right now, is they try to go through this entire presentation without notes or just a brief outline. You don't necessarily need a full script, but if you don't know what you're going to say for each slide, you really do start to ramble. What this allows you to do is actually take a break between each slide. So you could write some notes, press pause, and then move on. And that's what I'm going to do here. And in this next slide, you see a beautiful picture of my kids. This was 2 years ago now, up in Booth Bay, Maine, and they're just adorable. Remembering that images also help kind of capture the audience, and I can talk you through this image. So if this was an image, a still taken from the film, I don't have to put a whole bunch of words up in terms of what's going on. I could talk you through how this was a bioethical dilemma and then how that related back to our class. Once I stop here, what's going to happen, and I can't show you this, but once I stop the recording, what'll happen is will give me the opportunity to either upload right into YouTube or download the file. If you have a Gmail, I would say go ahead, upload it to YouTube, make sure you make that public, and then you can just drop the URL into our discussion forum and you're good to go. This is a great way, a very easy way to just record a screencast. You don't have to buy anything, you don't have to sign up for anything, and it's very accessible. So hopefully this will work for folks. If you have the full version of PowerPoint, you actually don't need to use this because you can do it right in there. I would still encourage people to upload to YouTube or some other file sharing site, because when you upload the actual file to the forum, not everyone can hear your audio. It's a weird thing. So what you want to do is download that. You want to save that as a WMV or a video file and then just upload it to YouTube, and everyone can then access it. All right, hope that helps. Bye-bye.